Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our new lesson today. Before we start our lesson, I want to talk about something. It is important. I need everyone to start thinking about his projects using code.org. We start already learn many things, how to use the code.org, how to create a code. Also, the last lesson we start learning how to draw using the codes. I want everyone to start thinking about his project. Okay, this project you're going to be in competition between the other classes, between all the grade level and grade 4 for A, B, and then so on. Okay, it will be there is a competition, and this competition it will be held on inshallah in January 2021. Okay, it will be there is an ICT fair. Okay, and your program that you're going to create it will be shown to everyone, not inside the school, and also it will be outside of the school. I want you to take then some ideas how you can get some ideas to create your project. You can go to your dashboard of your code.org. You can click in your name here, then you go to my projects. Here you go, projects ideas for home learning. You can click here, view project ideas. Then I want you to read about these things. If you go to each part here, then you can find some ideas. Here, choose a project idea. Here, some projects ideas here. You can read these things. Okay, here some spirits, and if you learn how to create some image here using the code. I want you to find which area that you can easy for you to create it, and I want you to use the things that we learned before in the previous lessons. And in case if you need any help, you can know that you can message me in any time on Schoology. Okay guys, I want you to start your own project. Okay, how to create a new project. You can go back here, my projects, then you can create a projects, start a new project. You can select the Spirit Lab, artist if you want to do some artist here, app lab and game lab. Okay, you can select one of these. Okay, and start your own project. Okay, it's not a problem if you start one project and it is not nice. You can try again and again. You can do this in your free time after the school. Okay guys, let's start our lesson today. Our lesson today about lesson 3, conditional in Minecraft, Voyage Aquatic. Okay, our learning objective for today: define circumstances when certain parts of program should run and when they shouldn't. Okay, success criteria: understand the definitions of condition and conditionals. Determine whatever a conditional is met based on criteria. Create some conditional by using the practices on lesson 3. Okay. Introduction. If I ask you now to walk straight in some direction in your home, if you are facing a chair out there, you must step over it. If you reach a wall, you must sit down. How do you would program a robot to respond to a wall or a chair? I want to remind you that cannot simply say step over a chair unless you know there is a chair, right? And you will not always know there is a chair, right? It might be helpful to translate the task into an instruction like: while there is a path ahead, he can walk forward. If there is a chair, step over it. Or he can, another things, he can sit down. Okay, this is how you going to give some order, but you see here there is something called condition. If there is a chair, if there is a wall. Okay, now we will going be using conditional during this lesson, guys. Okay, what mean condition or conditional? Condition, a statement that a program checks to see if it is true or false. Okay, if true, an action is taken, otherwise the action is ignored. Okay, conditionals, statement that only run under certain conditions. Okay, now we can understand what is the mean condition and conditional. We're going to practice these things now using practices in lesson 3 to understand more what is mean condition or conditional. Okay, here we go. This is our lesson 3 today, conditional in Minecraft. We're gonna start with practice number 1. Okay, in practice number 1 there is a video, you need to watch it. Okay, let's watch it together.
Hello, you're just in time. Welcome to the Voyage Aquatic. I'm about to embark on a quest to find hidden underwater treasure, and I'm very glad to have your help. Who knows what we'll encounter along these mysterious waterways? We're meant to meet our first guide somewhere on this dock.
Welcome, adventurers. To complete the Voyage Aquatic, you'll need to solve a series of puzzles using code. Here's how it works. Your screen is split into 3 main parts. On the left, you'll see the Minecraft world. The middle area is your toolbox, where you can find coding commands. And on the large area on the right is your workspace. This is where you can start commands to build your program and control your movements. The instructions for each level are at the top of the page. Click the plus sign to change between long and short instructions. Try dragging blocks from the toolbox into the workspace, stacking them, and then click the run button to execute your commands. You might have to try a few times to get it right, and some of the puzzles have more than one solution, so experiment to see what works. If you want to try again, click the reset button to go back where you started. If you need to delete a command, just drag the block from your workspace back into the toolbox. Remember, click run to see what your code looks like in action.
Okay, enough messing around, fellow adventurer. Let's start coding to find some underwater treasure.
Okay guys, let's start the coding now. You can select here, like you can select between Steve and Alex. You can select anyone you like. Okay, for example, I'm gonna select Alex. Okay, we need to read what first the instruction as always we do. You need to supplies for the voyage ahead to collect a boat from the chest. Okay, what you need to do here, guys, if you look here, this is Steve. He need to reach where? To these chests. I'm sure it's very easy. Let's add one more forward. Let's hit run. He reach. Okay, this is very easy and I know that you can do it. When you finish, you click continue. You need to complete it, guys, till number 11. I'm gonna show you now. I will not answer this one. You need to do it by yourself. Okay, you need to read the instruction very well and keep trying. Now I'm gonna show you practice number 11. You need to finish it sequence till 11. Okay, here in number 11, let me play the instruction for you.
This ocean monument needs a conduit. Are you up to the challenge? Build one using prismarine along the path.
Okay, we need to build prismarine here. Okay, around the black concrete. Okay, how we can build that one. Okay guys, look here. We need, when it's run, what we need to do, we need to place prismarine, right? You need to start from here and placing the prismarine till completing all of it. You need to move what? Forward. Okay. When he reach, how we reach here, this is called what, guys? If standing on, what? Let's select. There is a sand here, there is no sand, but there is sea lantern. Okay, this is sea lantern. Okay, this is the one here, sea lantern. This light here, this is called sea lantern. Okay, this is a condition here. There is a condition. If standing and sea lantern, what he will do when he reach here, he need to turn right. We give a condition here. If he's standing on it, he will turn right. It means this is a condition. If he will stand here, it means yes, he will turn right. If he not standing here, he will not do nothing, right? Okay, we give a condition here. Then after he turn right, let's try till here. He will not move anymore. Okay, what we need to use here, guys, we need to use something called repeat until conduit complete, until he complete this conduit. Okay, we need to repeat it. It means all of these things will be inside here. It will be repeated until the conduit complete. Let's see now. Reset and click run. You reach now where? To the sea lantern. Then he turn right. Again he reached. He turn right. See guys, he completed. Very good. Okay, in this practice, guys, in this practice from 1 to 11, this time is giving you solution while you are working. If you're stuck in anywhere, you can click here, see solution. But when you're stuck, when you cannot do it, you can click here and see the solution. It will give you how it will be doing that. This is the solution for the practice number 11. If you want to click that, you click stop seeing solution. It will take you back, but you need to redo it again or start from the beginning if you didn't complete it. Okay guys, there is a challenge here. If you click on this flag, if you didn't do it before, there is a challenge. If you feel lesson 1 and 2, the same challenge actually. If you want to do it, you can do it here. There is more things I want to show it after you complete number 11. You can go to Schoology, back to Schoology in your Schoology app. Then you go to week 9 for the ICT Sure. Okay, you will find here some links to other Minecraft games. If you like to play more Minecraft games after you complete lesson 3, you can click here and it will take you to, you click one click, then again here you need to click again. It will take you to another Minecraft tutorial. You can click start to play any of these. Okay guys, there is another things I want you when in week 9, I want you when you finish your lesson, you need to go here in discussion week 9, and I want you to write a comment here about what you felt during today's lesson and what did you learn from this lesson. Okay, you can write your comments here and that's it. Okay guys, okay, if you need anything and anytime, please contact me on messages. Thank you, see you later.